Okay, I think there's so much value in the Glute-Ham machine that I actually bought one. But for years I didn't use it because this is what happened. Okay, I'm gonna do a Glute-Ham raise, okay? And I've got myself set up, I think, properly. My knees are on top of the pads, and then here I go. God, that feels weird. Oh my God. Yeah. No, I'm not gonna do them. And I looked all over the internet for advice on how to do Glute-Ham raises properly, and I couldn't find anything, but I figured out what the problem is after watching many videos, and I want to share it with you. All you need to do Glute-Ham raises properly is not use a stick or a rubber band, but look at the setting here. Okay, I'm gonna pull that there, I'm gonna loosen that there, I'm gonna pull that back. There's my little dust mark there. We're doing renovations, so there's lots of dust around so I can mark everything. Okay, and now when I get up into here, put my feet in there, and look where my knees are. They're way behind the pad, so it looks like if I relax, my knees are gonna fall through, but I'm not gonna let that happen because I'm pushing my toes against the plate, so I'm getting a little bit of a calf workout there too. So, abs tight, butt tight, and now as I come forwards, I can shoot my hamstrings forwards and then come down, and then if I'm learning how to do this, I can help myself up with my hands and then repeat. Nice and slow, and now I'm straightening my legs. I'm straightening my legs and straightening them. I'm getting an excellent hamstring tension there, and then back up, just like that. So that's all there is to it. I see a lot of people not using this machine at the gym because they just have it set up wrong, and they're doing it completely wrong. So think about having your knees back far enough on the pad that if you relax, those knees are gonna fall through, okay? Excellent exercise. I'm doing a lot of them right now because I'm getting my ACL repaired in the fall, and this is my go-to exercise for my hamstrings. Enjoy.